So hello and welcome to another lecture in Salt Stack DevOps Automation powered by Semaphore UI course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like introduction to Salt Stack, key features of Salt Stack, benefits of Salt Stack, then benefits of using Salt Stack Techlatest VM regions to choose Techlatest Salt Stack VM, Salt Stack key concepts. Now in this lecture basically we'll cover setting up Salt Stack on AWS. Basically we have to do setup installation of Salt Stack on AWS. Okay, so let's get started. First, you have to go on techlatest.net website and click on product and support page. After this, you have to search about Salt Stack product, then click on Salt Stack DevOps product. And there you can see the AWS development guide. Then click on AWS development guide, and this is direct link of Amazon Marketplace, AWS Marketplace. You have to open this link in different browser here. Okay, then here you can see the Salt Stack DevOps automation products Semaphore UI by techlatest.net. So you have to click on view purchase option. And after this, click on view purchase option. You have to click on continue to configuration button. First, you have to accept the terms. Then here you can see the message. Thank you for subscribing to this product. We are processing your request. And here you can see the effective date is pending. Expiration date is also pending. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. After completing this effective date and expiration date, you have to click on continue to configuration button. So for that time, you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Here you can see that your continue to configuration button is active now. Click on continue to configuration button. And after this, here you can see some things like configure the software. We have to fulfillment option, software version, reason, and other things. So let's do this steps also. Then after completing this step, you have to click on continue to launch button. So you have to choose reason also according to your reason, then click on continue to launch button. Here you can see that there are some more things like you have to choose action, like from where you have to want to like launch this from website or EC2. We have to choose launch from website. Then you have to select the EC2 instance type. So on website, choose EC2 instance type. Basically T2 medium is EC2 instance type. Then you have to select VPC settings, subnet settings, and then select a security group. Okay, so we have select a security group and other things. So if you want to create a new security group, so you can create a new security group from this button, then select a security group a default, and then keep your settings. Basically, our city is our key pair. If you want to create a new key pair, so you can create a new key pair from here, then click on launch button. And after this, you can see the message, congratulations, instance of this software is successfully deployed on EC2. And you can view this instance on EC2 console. If you click on EC2 console, so here you can see some more things. Here you can see your basically your instance state and in your instance ID. Then you can also see the like the instance type, like which is instance type and other things. Then after this, let's see on website what are the other steps. So click on launch Salt Stack DevOps automation board. So we will deploy a summary page display to see the instance of EC2 console. Click on EC2 console link. So to connect to this page instance through PuTTY, copy the public IP address from the VM details page. Okay, so here you can see the public IPv address and you can also check the like if you want to stop instance, so you can stop from here. If you want to reboot instance, you can do it from here. Then copy the public IPv address and after this open the PuTTY. Then paste the IP address here, then click on SSH, then click on auth, then click on credentials, then browse your private key. So basically our CD is my private key. Then open it and click on open button and accept these terms. Then you can see login as an Ubuntu here. And here you can see the message already getting with public key Argo CD. You can change the settings and maximize it. So login is Ubuntu, authenticating with public key ROCD, and you can see that we have connected with our Ubuntu virtual machine terminal. Now we have done basic steps. Once connected, change the password for the Ubuntu user using below command. So I have to copy this command basically for changing the password. So paste the IP address here, give new password here, retype new password here, and you can see that your password is updated successfully now. And now the password of the Ubuntu user is set. You can connect to the VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using the RDP protocol or Linux machine using Revina. From your local Windows machine, go to Start menu in the search box and select Remote Desktop Connection. In the Remote Desktop Connection, wizard copy the public IP address, click Connect. Okay, so searching for Remote Desktop Connection here. Okay, first copy the IP address from here. And here you can paste the IP address, then click on connect button and then click on yes. So you can see that we have now connected to our remote desktop connection. So basically give username as Ubuntu, like give password here. So you go on OK button and zoom it. So basically it will fit in your uh, your machine. Okay, so let's do the next step also. It will start in 1 or 2 minutes. Now you are connected to out of the box salt stack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI, VM desktop VM Windows machine. To connect using RDP by Linux machine, first know the external IP of the VM from the VM details. With the inform your local Linux machine, go to the menu in the search box and type select Remina. Note if you don't have Remina installed on your Linux machine, first install Remina as per Linux distribution. This is a direct link of Remina. Okay, so if you click on this link and open link in new tab, so you can like directly install Remina from here. Then this will connect to the VM desktop environment, provide Ubuntu as the user ID, password set in the above reset password to password set in the above reset password step to authenticate. Then click on OK. Now I connected to out of the box Salt Stack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI VM desktop environment via Linux machine. Okay, so to access the Semaphore web interface, first reset Semaphore admin password by running below command as a system terminal. Okay, so copy this command and we have this one, then click on enter. Okay, so basically you have to like change the password here. In place of new password, you have to give your password. Okay, so we will give some password here. Dummy enter. So this is my password. Then now you have to hit enter button. So you can see that your password is changed now. Okay, so this is basically the password. And once Superman connect is copy the public IP address from the VM details and paste in the browser in the HTTPS address. Okay, so copy the public IP address, then type HTTPS and you can see that we have to click on advanced option and proceed to this IP basically. So here you can see that we have Semaphore UI. And then here you can give username as Ubuntu. Or sorry, you have to give username as admin and a password. So you can see that we have successfully uh, log in or sign up in our admin panel, basically Salt Stack UI and Semaphore UI panel. Here you can see the Salt Stack project and other things. Let's see other steps. Okay, so this the VM comes with various salt model pre-configured out of the box for you. The salt configuration file are located in etc salt directory. Okay, so let's do this step also. Okay, let's see then what is that salt. Okay, salt basically. Okay, so you can see that these are some things like which are under ls, which is salt directory. Okay, so the VM comes with various pre-configured salt models. So these are salt models like salt proxy, salt roaster, salt master base repository for salt SLS file is srbsrt, and the Semaphore config directory is home over to Semaphore. Okay, so this is basically you have done with this steps. You can also check that our VM is also running basically on remote desktop connection. So this is a remote desktop connection. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. We'll meet in next video.